Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey into the heart of the animal kingdom. Prepare to be astounded as we uncover 50 fascinating facts about the creatures we share our planet with. From the depths of the oceans to the soaring heights of the skies, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze. Let's begin our exploration. A flamboyance, that's the evocative name given to a group of flamingos. The word itself conjures images of their vibrant pink plumage and synchronized movements, a spectacle as captivating as any dance. The octopus, a master of disguise and intelligence, possesses 3 hearts. 2 pump blood through its gills, while the third circulates blood to the rest of its body, pausing momentarily when the octopus swims. High in the eucalyptus forest of Australia, the koala slumbers for up to 22 hours a day. This extended rest allows them to conserve energy, digesting their toxic, nutrient-poor diet of eucalyptus leaves. In the lush canopies of Central and South America, the sloth lives life at its own pace. This arboreal mammal takes 2 weeks to fully digest its meals, a testament to its remarkably slow metabolism. Crows, renowned for their intelligence, possess an uncanny ability to recognize human faces. What's more, they remember those who have wronged them, holding grudges that can last a lifetime. Unlike most creatures, the shrimp's heart is not found near its stomach, but within its head. This peculiar anatomical arrangement is just one of the many wonders of these crustaceans. Butterflies, those ethereal creatures of the air, taste their food not with their mouths but with their feet. Specialized receptors on their legs allow them to sample the sweetness of nectar. The elephant, the largest land mammal on Earth, is bound by a curious limitation: it cannot jump. Its massive weight and bone structure make leaping an impossibility. Across the African plains, the cheetah reigns supreme as the fastest land animal, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3 seconds, leaving all other creatures in its dust. Hummingbirds, those tiny marvels of the avian world, are the only birds capable of sustained backward flight. Their wings, beating up to 80 times per second, grant them unparalleled aerial agility. In the coral reefs, love takes on a unique form. Seahorses, those graceful denizens of the deep, mate for life, holding each other's tails as they navigate their underwater realm. A gathering of jellyfish is aptly called a smack. Imagine encountering a smack of these gelatinous creatures, their pulsating bells illuminating the ocean depths. In the icy landscapes of Antarctica, male penguins woo potential mates with a charming gesture. They offer a pebble as a token of their affection. Dolphins, highly intelligent marine mammals, possess an intricate communication system. They use whistles and clicks to address each other by name, forming complex social bonds. As temperatures plummet, certain frog species enter a state of suspended animation, their bodies freezing solid. Yet, come spring, they thaw and return to life, a testament to nature's resilience. A newborn kangaroo, known as a joey, is incredibly small, about the size of a jellybean. It crawls into its mother's pouch, where it will continue to grow and develop. Sharks, those apex predators of the ocean, have a lineage stretching back over 400 million years. They predate the dinosaurs and even the existence of trees on land. Remarkably, the fingerprints of a koala bear a striking resemblance to those of humans. Even under a microscope, it's difficult to distinguish between the two, highlighting an intriguing evolutionary quirk. Pigeons, often dismissed as urban pests, possess a surprising level of self-awareness. Studies have shown that they can recognize themselves in a mirror, a cognitive ability shared by few animals. The starfish, a denizen of the ocean floor, navigates its world without a centralized brain. Instead, it relies on a network of nerves distributed throughout its body, allowing it to sense and respond to its surroundings. Despite their towering height, giraffes, like humans, possess only 7 vertebrae in their necks. These vertebrae, however, are greatly elongated, allowing the giraffe to reach towering heights. A group of owls, those masters of the night, is known as a parliament. Perhaps this name reflects their perceived wisdom and solemn gatherings in the moonlit branches. Male lions, the rulers of their prides, are known for their impressive manes and their love of sleep. They can spend up to 20 hours a day slumbering, conserving energy for hunting and protecting their territory. Honeybees, vital pollinators of our planet, possess an astonishing ability. They can recognize and remember human faces. This skill aids them in navigating to and from their hives and foraging for nectar. Oysters, those bivalve mollusks prized for their pearls, have a remarkable ability. They can change their sex. Depending on environmental factors, an oyster may switch from male to female or vice versa. The tiger's striking stripes are more than just fur deep. The pigmentation extends to their skin, meaning even a shaved tiger would still sport its distinctive pattern. Bats, the only mammals capable of true sustained flight, navigate the night skies with remarkable agility. Their wings, formed by a thin membrane of skin stretched between their elongated fingers, allow them to soar through the air. The seahorse, with its horse-like head and prehensile tail, holds the title of the slowest fish in the world. Its tiny fins propel it at a leisurely pace, making it a master of camouflage rather than speed. Some lizard species, when threatened, have a remarkable defense mechanism. They can detach their tails. The wriggling tail distracts predators, allowing the lizard to make its escape. Beneath their thick white fur, polar bears have black skin. This dark pigmentation helps them absorb heat from the sun, crucial for survival in their frigid Arctic environment. The mantis shrimp, a small but mighty crustacean, possesses the fastest punch in the animal kingdom. Its club-like appendages can strike with the force of a .22 caliber bullet, stunning prey and cracking shells with ease. A group of porcupines is collectively known as a prickle. This aptly describes their most formidable defense mechanism, thousands of sharp quills that deter even the most determined predator. Owls, with their exceptional night vision, can rotate their heads an astonishing 270 degrees in either direction. This flexibility allows them to scan their surroundings for prey without moving their bodies. Ants, those tiny insects that often go unnoticed, are incredibly strong. They can lift objects 50 times their own body weight, a feat of strength that rivals even the mightiest weightlifters. A group of crows is ominously referred to as a murder. This name likely stems from their intelligence, complex social interactions, and sometimes aggressive behavior. The platypus, an egg-laying mammal native to Australia, possesses a venomous spur on its hind legs. This venom, while not lethal to humans, can cause excruciating pain. Whales, the largest animals on Earth, communicate across vast distances using low-frequency sounds. These whale songs can travel for hundreds of miles through the ocean depths, conveying messages of love, loss, and territorial claims. The blue whale, the largest animal ever to have lived, has a heart as large as a small car. This massive organ pumps enormous amounts of blood throughout its colossal body, sustaining its immense size. Crocodiles, those ancient reptiles with powerful jaws and armored bodies, are masters of fasting. They can go for months without eating, surviving on stored energy reserves until their next meal presents itself. In a remarkable role reversal, it's the male seahorse that carries and gives birth to the young. The female deposits eggs into a pouch on the male's belly, where he fertilizes and cares for them until they hatch. Some frog species have developed an incredible adaptation to survive freezing temperatures. They produce a type of antifreeze in their blood, preventing ice crystals from forming and damaging their cells. Chameleons, masters of camouflage, have independently rotating eyes, allowing them to see in two directions at once. This unique adaptation gives them a 360-degree view of their surroundings, perfect for spotting predators and prey. The axolotl, a Mexican salamander, possesses an extraordinary ability. It can regenerate lost limbs, spinal cord, heart tissue, and even parts of its brain. This remarkable regenerative capacity has made it a subject of intense scientific study. Those iconic pink flamingos aren't born that way. Flamingo chicks hatch with grey feathers, acquiring their pink hue gradually through their diet of shrimp and algae rich in carotenoid pigments. Cows, often seen as simple grazing animals, form strong social bonds and have best friends within their herds. When separated from their companions, they exhibit signs of stress and anxiety. A group of kangaroos is collectively known as a mob. These mobs can number in the dozens or even hundreds, offering safety in numbers as they graze and socialize. Snakes, both venomous and non-venomous, possess heat-sensing pits located on their faces. These pits allow them to see the heat signatures of their prey, even in complete darkness. Rats, often viewed with disdain, are surprisingly playful creatures. Studies have shown that they emit high-frequency chirps when tickled, a response that scientists believe is akin to laughter. Giant pandas, those beloved bamboo-eating bears, share a trait with humans: unique fingerprints. Just like our own, no two panda fingerprints are exactly alike, making them useful for identification purposes. Tardigrades, microscopic animals also known as water bears, are renowned for their incredible resilience. They can survive extreme temperatures, radiation, dehydration, and even the vacuum of space. As our journey through the animal kingdom comes to an end, we're left with a profound sense of wonder and appreciation for the diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth. From the flamboyant flamingos to the resilient tardigrades, each species has its own story to tell, its own unique adaptations and behaviors that have allowed it to thrive in its environment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these amazing animal facts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible content. See you next time.